Need to reset your Infinix phone or switch to a new device? The RightSync tool can help you back up and transfer data like contacts, photos, and messages with ease. In this video, we'll show you 5 top Infinix Sync tools for smooth, flexible, and reliable data management. Number 1. Best Infinix Sync software MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac is a top PC tool for one-click backup and restore of Infinix phones, preserving data losslessly. Step 1. After successfully downloading and installing the software on your computer, you should proceed to launch it. Connect your Infinix phone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Choose the types of data you wish to back up. Then specify a folder on your computer where the files will be stored. Finally, click Backup to synchronize your Infinix data with the computer. Number 2. Infinix PC Connection. Install Infinix PC Connection. Connect phone via USB. Enable USB debugging. Open the app. Select data types. Tap Sync or Backup. Eject when done. Number 3. Google Drive. Enable Google One Backup in Settings. Google Backup. Use Google Photos for auto media backup. In Drive. Tap plus Upload files. On PC, go to drive.google.com or use Drive for desktop. Number 4. Microsoft Phone Link. On your PC, install Phone Link from Microsoft Store. On your Infinix phone, open Link to Windows. Sign in with the same Microsoft account on both. Scan the PC's QR code to connect. Access messages, calls, photos, and more on your PC. Number 5. Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices. Pair your PC with your Infinix phone. To send files. From phone, share Bluetooth PC. From PC, right-click Send to Bluetooth device phone. Accept transfers on both devices.